What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a $65,000 wholesale deal we recently closed in Las Vegas. Yep, that's right, a $65,000 wholesale deal, all profit. I'm going to be breaking down every single thing we did in order to get this deal from locking up the contract to selling it and closing the deal and getting paid in this video. So make sure you stick around to the very end so you can learn exactly how we did this deal, so that way you can get deals like this yourself. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. But other than that, let's get right into the video. So, how did we get this deal? What marketing channel did this deal come from? This deal came from cold calling marketing. As you know, cold calling marketing is one of my #1 favorite marketing channels. We use the callgenius.com for cold callers, and we use the Ready Mode Dialer for cold calling. There's links in the description for both of those. So what we did is we got a list of sellers that have lived in their property for over 10 years from Cold Realty Resource. There's a link in the description for that data provider as well. And we uploaded that list to our Ready Mode Dialer, and then our cold callers from the callgenius.com started calling that list. They started calling that list and asking these sellers, hey, are you interested in selling your property? We want to make you a cash offer. And out of the list of people they called, everybody that said they wanted a cash offer for their property, the cold caller collected some information from them and they passed that lead to me and my team here in the office. And so, once the cold callers started passing us those motivated seller leads, the team here in the office, we started calling those leads and getting some more information about the property, and we ran through our sales process. From hello to goodbye, we ran through our sales process, and first we started extracting some more information about the property and about their situation. So we asked them, what countertops do you have in the kitchen? These are the good questions to ask to determine whether the property needs a remodel or whether it's updated. There's only a few questions you need to ask because they'll be telltale signs what condition the property is in. The first one we like to ask is, what countertops do you have in the kitchen? If they have Formica or laminate countertops, those are like fake countertops, fake material. And those are outdated and not the most upgraded. So if they have granite or quartz countertops, that means their property is more updated. So we like to ask them that question. The next thing we'll ask them is, what color are your cabinets? Are they a wood color or are they white? Because if they have white new cabinets, that's more modern. But if they're wood color, it's kind of outdated depending on the property. So we like to ask that. The next thing we like to ask is, what flooring do you have throughout the property? So we ask them what flooring. We ask them if they say they have tile. We want to know what size tile. Are the tiles 12 by 12? Are they 16 by 16, 20 by 20, or bigger tiles? Because if they're 12 by 12 tiles, those are small tiles and they're outdated. And then we like to ask, how old is the roof, right? We want to ask about the roof because that's one of the big ticket items with the house. And then we want to ask, how old is the AC unit? Because those are big ticket items as well. Good thing for this house, the roof was only 5 years old and the AC was only 3 years old. So both of those big ticket items were recently upgraded, which is great. Okay, but what did he say about the other condition of the property, right? So let's check it out. I want to show you the condition. So I have the pictures pulled up here. This is the garage, okay? Normal garage, nothing too crazy. Okay, we can see outdated countertops and outdated cabinets. Okay, we're going through here. Outdated floors. We got a leak, a little bit of water damage under the kitchen sink. Outdated kitchen. Those are laminate countertops that are super old, and these are outdated wood cabinets. They're not even just like wood cabinets, they're just super old cabinets. Then we have this light up here at the top. I forget what this light's called, but whenever you have this big like box light in the kitchen like that, it is super outdated. It comes down from the ceiling about 2 feet, so you have a lower ceiling in the kitchen because of it. It's super outdated. We have 12 by 12 tiles, outdated tiles. So as you can see, it's super outdated. We got blue carpets, okay? But regardless of it being outdated, the property is in good shape. The owner took good care of it, okay? And the outside, it's nice, okay? Got street photos, all that, okay? So that's what the property looked like. So we knew the property was going to need a full remodel, but we also knew the bones of the property were in good shape, right? We had a good roof, it's newer, we had a good AC unit, and you know, the property was maintained. Yes, it's outdated, but the seller took good care of it, so we're probably not going to run into any crazy issues. The next thing that we needed to do was we needed to comp the property and figure out what it was worth and then calculate our offer from there. So what I like to use in order to comp a property and figure out what it's worth is I like to use PropStream. PropStream is an all-in-one real estate investor tool where you're able to put in any address across the country and it will give you all the information about the property, and then it will list you all the comparable sales in the area, so that way you can find an accurate value on your property and then from there calculate your offer. So there's a link in the description for a 7-day free trial of PropStream. I highly recommend you sign up for PropStream. The next thing that we needed was we needed to use our offer calculator, which is available at jacobblank.com/shop. It's this offer calculator right here. Okay? And what this calculator does is you're able to plug in 3 different comparables you find on PropStream, and you're able to check a box for repairs, whether it needs minor, major, or minimal repairs. You're able to check a box for your market, and then it will run all the calculations for you, and it will give you your MAO, your maximum allowed offer. So that's what we did. We plugged all the information we found on PropStream into the calculator, and then it ran all the numbers for us and gave us our MAO. And our MAO came out at $200,000. If you're struggling to make accurate offers to sellers and you're struggling to calculate your offer, just go to jacobblank.com/shop, get the calculator. It will really help you out, I promise. There's a link in the description for that as well. So now that our calculator gave us our MAO of $200,000, we offered that to the seller. There was some pushback there, like, hey, that sounds a little bit low. We're looking to get closer to $250,000, but we were able to negotiate and talk to him and explain, look, the property's super outdated. It needs carpets, it needs paint, it needs a new kitchen. It has popcorn ceilings. We're going to have to scrape those. It needs new appliances. This is how much all that's going to cost. And so here's the math, and here's why we're at this price. We used logic-based selling. We ran our numbers in front of him and showed him, hey, we need to be at this price. And the property was worth about $360,000 to $380,000 redone. So we knew at $200,000 there was a big spread there, and it would be a pretty nice sized deal. So we got the seller to agree to the $200,000. We sent over the contract via e-signature, and the seller signed on the dotted line. The next thing we needed was we needed the seller to send us those pictures of the property. So the seller did that. The seller sent us all those pictures of the property, and now we had everything we needed in order to market the property to cash buyers. So what did we do? We started marketing the deal to our massive cash buyers list. All right, and if you guys want to use our cash buyers, we want to help you. We want to lock arms with you and help you sell your deals. So if you have a deal under contract, go to jacobblank.com/dispo, submit all the information about the property you have under contract here, and me and my team will personally help you sell your deal for maximum profit. We've been building a massive cash buyers list for the past 4 or 5 years, and we want you to use it. Use our buyers. We'll help you make more money on your deals and sell them fast. We have the buyers, so work with us. So that's what we did. We had the pictures, we had everything we needed to market the deal, so now we send it out to our massive cash buyers list in Las Vegas, and we started to get offers back and we started to get hits. We were marketing the deal for $275,000. That's what we were looking to get for it, and we started to get offers. We got offers around $240,000, $250,000, so a little bit low, and then we had somebody come in at $265,000. We called that person, we tried to talk them up to the $275,000 to the full asking price, but they wouldn't budge. They also said they wanted to walk through the property before they signed a contract. So we scheduled a walkthrough with the seller, and we had the buyer walk through the property, and after that walkthrough, he said he was good to go at $265,000. So we sent over the assignment contract to him. He signed on the dotted line. Now we took all the paperwork and sent it to the title company, so that way the title company could close the real estate transaction. And after about 14 days till the close of escrow, title did all the paperwork, and the deal closed smoothly, flawlessly. And we made a $65,000 assignment fee on this deal. There we go. There we go. Another amazing wholesale deal for $65,000. If you guys liked this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions about how we got this deal, some more in-depth information about what marketing channel, how we did that marketing, all of that, make sure to drop comments down below. I'll be answering your questions. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.